Okay, so I just realized something. My game is basically a fancy walking simulator right now. And unless I want the players just to take a boring tour of this house, I need to add some danger.
Looking for you.
So meet my new enemy AI. Or at least the beginning of it. Right now, this little guy has three main states. The petrol mode, he just wanders around the house like a lost roommate. The combat mode, if he spots you, he goes on full murder mode.
NANI?!
And the investigation mode. If you escape, he will check your last known location and then give up like, probably nothing.
Hi, how are you?
It's not perfect yet. His investigation mode is kinda, he just stand there facing the wall. But hey, it's a start. And for now, his petrol mode is just him follows a fixed path petrol road. And I don't want this for the game because players can just memorize his paths and where's the fun of it. So for the feature, I probably gonna make a lot of pathways and then randomize all of them so the player will never know what's the next steps he gonna take. Oh, and since I don't want the players just stand there and die, I added a hiding system, so now you can crawl under office desks. And yes, there is even an animation for that. Check this. Okay, I probably should apologize for that, because that sucks. And you guys may imagine why the beginning of the animation is so clean and then just turn into this piece of shit. Is that because I took a animation from Mixamo? Just cut her in half and then just put my hands on work, but I'm not completely concerned about that because you guys will be on first person, so you're not even seeing that. This is behind the camera. So that's it. Next up, well, I probably should work on his AI because right now this guy is dumb as f, and look at this. We're actually searching instead of just staring at the wall. Like, I could probably do something like Outlast.
I'll find out yours.
Let me know what you guys want for this enemy AI in the comments. Anyway, that's the progress so far. If you guys like this video, smash that like button and let me know if you guys want me to do some tutorial or just the devlog, some other content. Let me know in the comments.